Greeting, madam and my friends. Today we are going to present about research on the local rock, which is mineral, fossil, and also case study in Langkawi UNESCO Global Geopark. Before we start our presentation today, I would like to introduce my group member, which is first is Patrick Low at 2088, Matthew Wong at 1613, and Adeline Bong 18613, Liang Chen 75420, and myself is Muhammad Zulfikar B. Idris at 1890.
My name is Adeline Bong Anak Chimi and my matrix number is 81613. In this report, we are required to identify different types of rock. This report is divided into two parts. There are three main types of rock, which is igneous rock are formed by the cooling and solidification of magma in volcanic area. The second types of rock is sedimentary rock, which is formed near the Earth's surface. Sedimentary rocks created by erosion, weathering, dissolution, precipitation, and lithification. The third types of rock is metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks are created by heating, compressing of sedimentary rocks into igneous rock or early metamorphic rocks. The objective of this report is to provide descriptions and identifications of rock, mineral, and fossil found throughout Malaysia. That is for the part A. And the part B, we do a case study about Langkawi UNESCO Global Park.
The igneous form of the rock does not include any fossil deposit. If there are many chains of the fossil deep inside the crust, it erupts out of the Earth's surface and gets destroyed due to the sheer heat those rocks produce. Most igneous forms include more than one mineral deposit. They can be either glassy or coarse. Those usually do not react with the acid, and the mineral deposits are available in the form of patches of different size.
Okay, so the next type of rock is sedimentary rock. Sedimentary rock can be formed as a result of chemical precipitations. Rock identification for this type of rock can be seen as there are visible layers, fossil or unique features such as ripple and mud crack in sedimentary rocks. The characteristic features and physical properties can be seen by class size, class composition, angularity and sphericity, and sorting. Organic or chemically formed sedimentary rocks are identified through composition and texture. Sedimentary rocks can be categorized into two parts, which is clastic and non-clastic rock. Clastic is composed of fragments by silicate mineral, mostly quartz and clay. It can be determined by the grain size, and the non-clastic is composed by various minerals, usually just one. For example, limestone and.
Now I will talk about regional metamorphism and contact metamorphism. Regional metamorphism change in massive amount of rock over a large region are induced by high pressure from underlying rock or compression caused by geology processes. The rock is exposed to high temperature due to its deep burial. For contact metamorphism, it changes in a rock that has come into contact with magma due to the intense heat of the magma. Most foliar metamorphic rocks, such as slate, phyllite, sheet, and gneiss, are formed during regional metamorphism. Metamorphic rocks, such as hornfield, originate only by contact metamorphism, but others can originate either by contact metamorphism or by regional metamorphism. Mode of formation and occurrence by metamorphism, regional, and contact is high temperature, high pressure, mineral-rich fluid, or a combination of these conditions can all lead to the formation of metamorphism rock in rocks.
Hello, my name is Patrick Lloyd Kwang, and I will be presenting about mineral. Metallic mineral is a mineral containing one or more metals. These usually occur at mineral deposits and are a great heat and electricity conductor, such as iron, copper, and silver. Most metallic ore deposits are a result of plate tectonic activities. High heat flows and convection current at the divergent plate boundaries, such as mid-oceanic ridge, create a submarine hot springs called black smokers that deposit solid masses to the metallic minerals. Next is the non-metallic minerals. Non-metallic minerals has no metal component in their structure. Some common examples include clay, dolomite, and quartz. They are usually found in a sedimentary rock that are formed by the aggregation of various materials such as mineral, remains of organisms, and rock particles. Lastly is the precious metal. Precious metal is a high mineral that has a high value in economics, such as gold and diamond. They are formed by high pressure and high heat deep under the earth, and they are brought up to the surface through faulting or volcanic activities.
Good morning, I am Matthew, in charge of researching of similar rods. I chose two similar rods from each class of rods respectively. Firstly, we will compare for igneous rock, granite and gabbro. Granite is widely distributed throughout the continental crust, while gabbro is an essential part of the oceanic crust. Granite is commonly used in temples, gravestones, or monuments, mainly the structures that are supposed to stand the test of time. Gabbro is widely used as crushed stone for concrete aggregate, rock-based material, and railroad borders. Moving to sedimentary rocks, limestone and sandstone. Limestone does not have the stratification pattern that sandstone does. Some limestone is composed completely of organic matter that is impossible to see with just the naked eye, while sandstone displays a visible stratification into layers that help determine how a rock came to be primarily based at the size and intensity of each layer. Lower grade limestones, particularly one with some clay content, can be used in the production of cement for use in the building and construction industry. Sandstone is used in domestic construction and housewares even in prehistoric times and was a popular building material from ancient times. It is relatively soft, making it easy to carve and have been widely used around the world in constructing temples, homes, and other buildings. Lastly, the metamorphic rocks, marble and quartzite. Both are naturally occurring rocks that share similarities. Though they share certain functions and physical features, marble and quartzite differ greatly in geology, so in turn, performance as a benchtop material. Marble is a mineral that is primarily comprised of calcite. Natural, physical, and chemical impurities add to this makeup, giving patterns and veining. Unlike marble, quartzite is not a mineral. It is made out of sandstone and quartz, where both are sedimentary rocks. For users, marble is used as a construction material for buildings, tiles, countertops, cladding, floors, and other architectural surfaces, while quartzite is commonly used as a construction material for benchtops, cladding, and flooring.
Langkawi UNESCO Global Geopark is located in far northwestern corner of Peninsula Malaysia. Located in the northern state of Kedah, it is a unique descent that it was formed of 99 islands that together made the legendary Langkawi Archipelago. The natural landscape of Langkawi is combination between highly vegetate hill of rainforest and some rather barren rocks. In Malaysia, there is igneous that can be found in Gunung Raya granite. The granite suits in Langkawi are found to be large and small igneous stock intrusions that are not bigger than 100 square kilometers, and they are believed to be late Triassic in the age, which suggests that emplacement of the granite took place almost concurrently with the region major tin-bearing granite. Sedimentary in Langkawi are Chuping Formation is the unit of thickly petty to massive light color limestone that sit comfortably above the Singa Formation in the southeast part of the island. It can be easily distinguished from the dainty and dark color settled limestone. The Langkawi area have undergone deformation low-grade regional metamorphic during the late Permian production. At least one set of the lower angle cleavages in the older Machinchang Satu and Singa formation. The rock has been metamorphic to be slate, fertilizer, quarter, and fine granite marble in the process.
So, as conclusion, all of the objectives are archived. Our group is able to complete part A, which is to provide descriptions and identifications of rocks, mineral, and fossil found throughout Malaysia. Part B of this report is to do a case study about Langkawi UNESCO Global Park. A little bit information: in 2007, UNESCO made it official that Langkawi archipelago was to be recognized as one of the 94 globally recognized geoparks. These geoparks come from 27 nations and are endorsed for its nature beauty, ecological harmony, and archaeological, geological, and cultural significance. That's all from our group.